What was that noise you just made? Dude, I'm like Ronaldo. I'm like better
Oh,
than
it's rumbling and tumbling.
Campbell. Oh my gosh. Wait, let me pet your camo. Let me pet camo, Campbell. Hey, hey, watch this. Watch this, Adam. Watch this. Adam, watch this. Watch this. Here, Alex, just stand there. Stand
Okay.
there.
Okay, I
Wait,
think
no,
we're done.
Oh my god, no.
I can feel it rumbling and tumbling around, but it won't come out.
Wait,
It won't come out, bro.
Campbell, if we win this game, you have to drink 3 more.
Imagine when Campbell starts drinking. How bad that would be.
Bro, it's like I can feel it like no, I can feel it popping in my stomach. Like it's such a bad feeling.
There's so many toxins in your stomach.
Yeah, guys.
Just like Adam.
The enemy has recruited new spies, and I'd like to know who they are. The
Campbell,
Imaginary
stop.
guard suits are programmed to recognize friendly agents. So,
Did nobody land here? What?
could you?
No, there's a
deploy
kid
gently,
on me.
softly, and permanently
That's in, like,
eliminate
what
one
kind of
them?
way?
Thank you. Bring the suit's key card to me.
There's
We'll
kids
let
on
you
you,
know
Raiden.
the next
It's like illegal, right?
Yeah.
Adam is
Oh, there it was. There it was. Yes, sir. It all came out. What? Bro, it all came out. We're good. Ooh, I feel so relieved now.
Campbell, you.
What?
What?
I'm stuck in a box. Oh wait, I do.
What is this bot doing?
Okay, I don't want to drink any more root beer. I'm getting sick of root beer. What's something else that can make me burp?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, wait, but there's grapplers? Uh-oh. Oh my gosh.
Did Jerk just solo squad?
Maybe.
Where's the grapplers?
Oh,
Yo,
Jerry.
can you guys
there's-
This is a bot for sure. Campbell, that's not how it works, Adam. You win stuff.
Bro, oh my god.
But you can hold 3 pizza slices at a time now.
No, bro, my heart is pounding. Like it's literally pounding. Bro, my heart is literally pounding. Like it's literally racing. Like I can feel it like bump, 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 bump. And then my stomach is also like
What?
oh my god.
Your stomach is like rub.
Bro, it hurts.
Jerry, there's a squad on me.
Bro, you just got coned, Brayden. What? How did that work?
There's a lunch pad right here. How am I getting hit like 4 times? Did you knock him?
Bro,
or
instead
just-
of breathing, I just burp now.
Get out, dude. Pumpkin. Oh, this drum gun is OP! Campbell, what do you mean the drum gun? Wait, no, who said the drum gun was like
What?
That was Brayden. I said it was
What
insane.
is that? What is that garbage?
No, never again. Never again, bro. Dude, I don't even know anymore. Bro, I don't even know anymore. Bro, instead of breathing, I just burp. Like whenever I try to exhale, I just burp.
What? Stop making those noises.
Bro, I need to take my sweatshirt off. This is genuinely like I'm like overheating. I am. No,
You're
I literally just felt.
overheating?
No, I literally just felt like sweat drip down the side of my like torso, like it's coming out of my armpits. Hold on.
What? Campbell's
Okay,
like
guys, I'm
talking to
back.
his parents.
I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back.
Campbell, you just said this is like torture, bro.
What's
Look
up?
at this insane. Here, I'll defend you, Adam.
Oh my gosh.
Do the eagle, Campbell.
I don't have the eagle.
What? Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Hey.
I
do you
really
have the
don't.
eagle?
I don't know. No.
Campbell, did you get another bottle? Campbell, did you get another bottle?
I just peed myself mid-burp.
You feed yourself. What's happening?
I can't stop. No, it's coming again.
Oh my God. What's coming again? Does this happen every time he joins? Hot Rattle?
Oh, good.
The enemy has recruited new spies and I'd like to know who they are. The imagined border guard suits
I'm
are
sending you guys a
programmed to
picture of what I look like right now.
recognize agents. So, could you, if you would, gently, softly, and permanently eliminate one of them? Thank
So
you.
this is a Reno squad, Adam.
I am. I am.
Why do you sound like that right now?
I think I'm dying.
Why do you look like that? Why do you look like that? Oh my gosh. Send us a video. Send us a video.
Wait, Campbell, show us that you peed.
Oh my gosh. So bad.
Ain't no way, bro. I'm sending a picture to Jarek. Jarek, I'm sending you a Snapchat, bro.
Wait, Campbell, send us all Snapchats.
No, I'm not sending it to Braden.
Campbell sent me a video, sent me a photo of his underwear where he peed.
Come on, Campbell.
You sound like that.
Bro, I'm having a midlife crisis. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Bro. I don't know, I have to pee so bad. Yeah, but like, I stopped midstream.
Dude, are you like?
Luke Ludaka sent me a Snapchat of him like zooming into his butt, and he said, "This is just for you."
Oh no, because you're gonna screenshot it.
What about me, Campbell?
I
Yeah.
don't trust you, Brayden.
I would only send it to Ryan.
Grant would send it to all the girls.
Well, wait, should I screenshot it right now, Adam?
No, no, Derek. If you do, Jarek, you better not. He just saved it in chat.
Jarek, send it to all of us.
I don't have it. To become shorter than.
Do you guys have any shields for me? I don't have any shields.
There's literally like a billion. Here, follow me, Bell. Follow me,
Where?
Campbell.
Okay, I'm following.
Follow me. Campbell, follow me, bro. Number 12.
Bro, I can't stop it.
Dude, how?
Yeah.
Campbell, how are you going to go to bed?
Yeah.
Yeah, I probably just won't.
Why do you sound like that, bro?
No, bro, there's like sweat dripping down my there's like sweat dripping down my chest and like everywhere and like my neck. Oh, it's like itchy too cuz it's like sweaty.
Well, why is the zone so poopy now? Is that it's shorter than Adam? Thank you.
Yeah, Adam's pretty short.
Yeah.
Shut up, Brayden, you're like the shortest one here.
Well, there's Pepe's.
Campbell, I'm legit like the same height as you.
He's like the same height as me, guys.
Well, they're bots, maybe.
No, they're not bots. Jarek, they're not bots.
Jarek, they're not bots. Jarek. Number 12 is walking. Boys, sweet. You have a terrible name.
Bro, it's
Remind me of
still
Adam.
coming out. I can't do anything about this.
Stop coming out, Campbell.
I can't stop. I can't stop. I wish I could.
How did you get in that situation in the first place?
Because I remember originally I just wanted to show Brayden how much I could burp.
Adam,
Originally, I just showed
Adam,
him.
you have to. No, don't kill him. Adam, you have to die.
Lasered me. Here, let's come.
You try to kill him.
Little children, come. Don't use it yet. No, oh my gosh, why? What an idiot! Banned for stream sniping.
Jarek, do you have web slingers?
No.
Campbell, are you good now? Campbell, you still owe us another
I'm just
chug.
controlling my breathing.
Yeah, I can't believe you still owe us another one.
Bro, you're so slow, Adam. What is this?
Brayden keeps following me, bro. Yeah. Yeah, look over here. Brayden's like following me all the way over here to Tilted. He's like following me on Instagram to Tilted.
Oh, come here, Adam. I have chug splashes for us.
Here, I'll drive a vehicle to you guys.
Okay, bet.
Yeah, come here, guys.
Little children, come, come.
Come here. Come here, Jim.
Come.
I didn't mean it like that.
Let's count. Adam, that was bad. That was some dog water. That's sad.
You're bad. You're dog water. That's sad.
Well, let's run over the shark. Oh! Well, let's launch some rockets at him. Where's the shark? Here. Oh! What if he landed on his twice?
Kill the shark.
Or loaf?
Make it happen.
Oh, there's people! Let's run them over!
Oh yeah, get him.
Yeah! Oh!
Oh, he's almost dead.
How dare he mess with us? This is what happens. Oh, he's dead. Get out of here, bucko.
The whole team's
Look, another team.
Yeah, kill it, Adam. Get it.
Get I guess!
Get it, I guess. Oh, I'm dead.
Got
This
one.
kid is thorough. Like I'm Adam. Someone stole our boat.
Jerry, get over here. I'll hold them
Hey, I
off.
have pizza over here. Okay, come to my box.
I have
I'm here.
10 health. Campbell, help me! Campbell!
Oh! One of them's cracked. One of those Spider-Mans is cracked. Jared,
I need pizza, bro. I cracked them, but
Shoot
I
him.
marked
Do you not
pizza.
see Scott. I cracked one of the pizzas. Adam, you look like a toaster. Stop it, bro. You're made of ham? Yum!
Bro, I need pee so bad. No, I can't. I have to let it sit there for a little bit. No, but like whenever you drink a bunch of root beer, you like have to let it sit. Yeah.
Campbell's like our squad leader, so
I am the squad leader. Raiden, reboot us. As the squad leader, I vote you reboot us.
yeah.
where?
Tilted.
No, right? Yeah. Tilted.
Yeah,
Number
go tilted.
12.
Yeah, get the Metamist to
Grab
go
the
tilted.
tack. Or yeah, instead the tack, grab the med.
Bro, he's dead. Okay.
We'll do
I
that.
don't want to have to drink another one, please. He's dead to zone. Watch. No.
How do you know he's not surviving it? It's gonna be a sacrifice.
Bro, I need to pee
Right,
so bad. I'll be back.
Sacrifice yourself.
Did you guys die to Lil Alex?
I died to Lil. I died to Lil Alex actually. Oh my gosh! Get it, I guess.
Ooh.
Many people in one.
I feel so much better now. Ooh, baby.
Thank you.
Campbell, you look so much more happy.
Bro, I do look a lot more happy.
Campbell, send us another picture of yourself. Why do you look like that?
Okay, 1 second. I'll be right back, and we'll send another picture.